If you don't subscribe to my channel, you will be cute tomorrow. Like him.
Realme Snapdragon 865 smartphone with highest antutu score ever leaked. Realme is going big this year. This is after the latest leak received by the folks from Android Authority. They were sent a screenshot of what is said to be an antutu benchmark score of an unknown Realme RMX 2071 device. The listing shows that the upcoming device will have a Qualcomm SM8250 processor. That's the code name for the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, a flagship processor that will power most high-end devices coming out this year. It's bundled with the latest Adreno 650 GPU, which help accelerate its performance in gaming and other graphics-intensive apps. What's interesting is, it got a score of 574,985. That's the highest score ever recorded on the said benchmarking app. That's even higher than the leaked score of the upcoming Xiaomi Mi 10, which is at 560,217. Realme X2 Pro. If we were to speculate, the Realme XM2071 might be the successor to the Realme X2 Pro from last year. The said device put Realme at Antutu's top 10 best performing smartphone list for the first time. Make sure you stay tuned as we'll be giving you more information about this rumored device once they become available. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.